Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 40. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Shishao, it seems that she is having a headache because of the problem with Louis. Only said go wash your face and let's eat sooner. Oh, Lu Wei, she's wiping her tears and answered her mother. Yes, mother. Well, looking at Lu Shishao, it seems that she was losing her coolness. Now, this is getting crazy. All she can think is Xian. Xian is everywhere for her. Well, for now, she can help with herself, but she looks really mad. Well, probably, just taking consideration, Xian, she might be in trouble, always linking to Lu Wei. Right now, I spoke to Ashley, and just now, and Nunu didn't eat much at night. Well, she was thinking after eating, she went to sofa to think about it. She was thinking how to coax her child. The next day, she will buy snacks for her. Suddenly, it was getting late. There is someone knocking on the door. Well, what do you think? It is a visitor? It was really late at night. Right now, the doorbell is ringing. Could it be that some friends comes to visit? Well, let's see and find then. Looking towards, at this time, she's the only one who will knock on my door. Oh, Lu Shishao? Well, she was thinking again about Xian. Well, did she really want to see Xian again? Well, they see each other whole day. Also right now, she was wishing it was Xian. Well, gradually she stood up, wants to see who is the visitors at this moment. Well, she was right, thinking about Xian. And Xian is in front of her right now. Do you have an iron and ironing board at home? I'd like to use them. Well, wait a minute. Shishao said to her. At this moment, she can see her straight on the ice. Well, she was afraid. Turns out, turn around and looking at it, Xian was looking on her back. Well, this is really surprising. Her reaction is really cute. Right now, she's trying to find the iron and ironing board. Looking at Lu Shishao, seems to be she already calm. But for Xian, looking at her, seems that she was still awkward. Lu Shishao is holding an iron and iron board, and she was looking at Xian. Xian said to her, thanks. She grabbed the iron board and iron at her. Lu Shishao answered her, no needs to thanks. Well, right now, Xian. She tightened her grip. Can you iron my shirt for me? Oh, this girl. She really know how to coax people. And now she was asking her, helping her, iron her clothes. I haven't used it for a long time. My hands are raw, and I'm afraid I might be damaged by ironing. Oh, this girl. She was really sweet. Since what happened in the evening was the misunderstanding. It's in the past, and we can let it stay like this. What's more, she is Nunu's teacher after all. Right now, she falls again. Well, probably. She was thinking hard. Of course, she cannot rejected her. Xian do a lot of things to help her. This is the trivial things. Well, she is still Nunu's teacher. Shishao said to her, okay, let's go. Right now, she was asking Xian to go into her house and to iron her clothes. Turns out, when they came in, it was a long black shirt she need to iron. Xian's house, living room. This, can it be ironed like this? Shishao said to her. Ken? Shishao said to her. She was looking at the clothes and Xian's trying to iron. But it seems that it was a different fabric. That's why Lu Shishao became muted. Maybe she was thinking on how to iron the clothes. But for Xian, she was standing there, Lu Shishao is the one who's doing the ironing to spray on the clothes that Xian needs to wear. Looking at her, she looks really serious. Lu Shishao, right now, she is carefully. Well, definitely she took over cause Xian can do it. But right now, she's making sure the clothes is well ironed. Xian, right now, only she can do is to wait for Lu Shishao to finish the clothes. She want to ask help. Well, this girl, of course, she doesn't know how to do things, especially household chores. Her skills on coaxing is getting better. Carefully ironing the skirts. Shishao, she looks really serious. She's fixing the clothes. She don't miss any part of the skirt. Even though she know for herself it's for her wife ito. Right now, Xian, she can help herself, but to stand there, didn't you tell you about reserving seats at the party? Also, the head don't leave. Well, Lu Shishao is trying to sure that Lu Wei didn't abuse. Get closer to her. Look away, or else she might be scolding her children. One does not. Right now, Shishao suddenly stopped. She know that sometimes Lu Wei becomes tricky. Xian is trying to help her daughter. Have no choice. Shishao said to Xian. Xian said to her, I know. Probably she don't want to spoil her daughter. But right now, Xian, she can help herself but just to see her. Although, looking at Lu Shishao, she is not losing her coolness. Maybe she will get mad again at her. She forced herself and trying to calm down. She don't want to have an argument again with Xian. Hey guys, thank you for watching.